Hey guys and girls, it's been a little while since I've seen you. Since then, I've joined a cruise group and we cruised to a couple different Cars and Coffee about 2 weeks ago. I had a lot of fun, but unfortunately it didn't end on such a good note. Let's get into it.
Your power, like, not that it's slow or anything, but it crashed right? Dude, I get it. It's just fucking
Check this out. Dark Knight, that's dope.
I'm Batman.
I'm gonna film this because it's McLaren and I get to see it up close. Up close and personal. What's going on, dude? I haven't had the chance to meet you because I'm new. But I'm gonna love on your car right now because that's what I do. Yeah, man. Look at that. Look at this McLaren. Hotness.
After that, we cruised to Mount Pleasant Cars and Coffee where I met up with my boy Paul.
I take these journeys, they tear my system down. Try so hard to keep you out. I went crazy by myself, crying alone. Anxiety, it keeps me on the edge, close to jumping off this ledge. I sip perp to clear my head since you've been gone. These knees, they tear my system down. Tried so hard to keep you out. I went crazy by myself, crying alone. Spaced out, staring at the ceiling, talk to my demons. That's for a reason why I feel the way I'm feeling. If I'm the one who cheated on the sex without no meaning, I like to keep her heart safe from my start beating. Now I try so hard to stay medicated so I don't have to face the wrong I've done. I take these earnings, they tear my system down. Try so hard to keep you out. I went crazy by myself, crying alone. Anxiety, it keeps me on the edge, close to jumping off this ledge. I sip her to clear my head since you've been gone. These sadness, they tear my system down. Try so hard to keep you out. I went crazy by myself, crying alone. Anxiety, it keeps me on the edge, close to jumping off this ledge. I sip her to clear my head since you've been gone.
The North Charleston one. Yeah, because it's the first one that their first Cars and Coffee they're doing that. Yeah, it only takes like 10 minutes.
I try so hard to stay medicated so I don't have to face the wrong I've done to you. They make these they make me so you tear my system. So
Man, that is dope. Look at that.
I'm always angry.
That sucker ain't even in the parking lot, but it's so cool looking.
Unfortunately, it went all downhill after that.
What's up, guys? As you can see, I've had a little bit of bad luck recently. A couple weekends ago, I went out to Cars and Coffee, of course. I was doing like a tour because some thing here in Charleston is we have about 5 or 6 different Cars and Coffee groups. So I was hitting up 3 that day. But the day before, like a smart guy, I went to Walmart. And on my way home, I must have like hit a little cat animal or something. God rest its soul. And as you can see, this is the flimsy original Nismo undershroud. And yeah, it crumpled. When I hit it, it broke. It split right here. I'm trying not to touch that because there's not a lot of light here, but you can see there's some blood on this thing from where I ran that thing over. So, you know, I had to take it off because it was dragging. And then I decided I still wanted to go out and have a little fun, and, you know, I wasn't going to push the car too hard. And yeah, so I didn't. And then I did, and I lost a fender liner. But that wasn't the worst of it. So after I lost the fender liner, then I went to the third Cars and Coffee location, and there was a small part of the curb I didn't see and caught the front of the front splitter in the bumper. And this is what happened. It split my Vicrez front splitter and also ruined the V1 Nismo bumper that I have here. So it kind of tore it up in a couple different spots here, so I'll have to get that repaired. And that was already missing the front fascia diffuser that went on the bottom, the stock one. So I would have to order another one of that, and all the little parts that go to the fenders and everything, they're super expensive for a little piece of plastic that's about, I want to say like 3 inches, 4 inches tall. It's literally $150, and it's a 2-part piece. So that's like $350 each side, plus the $700 spoiler diffuser, which is crazy. And then, you know, whatever I have to do to fix the bumper. So yeah, that's where I'm at. That's where I'm at. There's my baby. There she is. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a different bumper. So we'll find out what that bumper will be when it gets here, and I'll show it to you guys. Till then, I'll see you next time.